Good morning, students. So in my last two videos we completed numericals on gravitation. Now today we start our next chapter. So that is mechanical, chapter number 6, mechanical properties of solids. The mechanical properties of solids, the weightage for this chapter is 4 to 6 marks, minimum 4 marks and maximum 6 marks. So in this chapter we study some definitions. So our first definition is deformation. So what is meant by deformation? Deformation means when we take a rubber band and we pull it two sides. After pulling we release it. When we release it, the rubber band comes to its original shape and size. So that means deformation means what? So we see that deformation means there is a change in shape or size or both of the body due to the external force is called as deformation. For example, when we take a rubber cord or a metal wire, when it is stretched, what happens? Its length changes or its length increases. Now we see what is meant by deformation force. The force which produces deformation in a body is called as deforming force. Then the third definition is definition of elasticity. Elasticity, it is a property of a body by virtue of which if a body regains its original shape and size after removal of a deforming force, then it is called an elastic body, and that property which having its original size and shape, when we remove the deforming force, body began its original shape, that property is called as elasticity. For example, rubber, steel or sponge ball, these are called as elastic bodies. Now opposite of that is called as inelastic body. Now inelastic body means what? The body which do not regain their original shape or size after removal of deforming force are called as inelastic body. Inelastic body means what? That body they do not reform their original size and shape. For example, plastic or plasticine, glass, dough or putty. These are some examples of inelastic bodies. After that we see what is meant by perfectly elastic body. The perfectly elastic body means what? The body which regains completely in size or shape after removing of deforming force. The body which completely regains, that type of body is called as perfectly elastic body. But perfectly elastic body does not occur in the universe. For practical purpose, for example, quartz or phosphor bronze are considered to be a perfectly elastic body.